So you want a events banner created, but you're not sure exactly on the size or whether it's going to look any good, especially on a mobile. So this is what I'm about to show you, exactly how you can create a events banner for the right size and ensure that it's mobile optimized. So you've gone through the entire design, you've gone and you've ensured that your design is going to be 1920 by 180 pixels in size. That is the correct size for Facebook events pages. You go and you create your design, and then what happens? You upload it into Facebook only for it to look like this. It looks great, so you think, but let's take a look to see what it looks like on a mobile. This is how it ends up looking. You can't see any of the information. It looks terrible. And let's face it, everyone uses mobiles today to access Facebook. Desktop, yes, people still will use it to access their Facebook, but not as much as mobile. So you want to ensure that your banner is correctly displayed for mobile users. And there is a trick to doing it. I have created a template for you, and eventually your template is going to end up looking like this. And here is the template here. In this template, you'll see how I have created the size of the actual banner here in Canva is 1920 by 180 pixels. The white section here is where you will edit this area, and this is the part that will be mobile optimized. And you can, of course, add whatever image or any other information that you don't really need to be shown on mobile, but it would look good, obviously, on a desktop to make the banner look a little bit better. So you can add whatever images or information that you need on the background. So if I was to click on this whole area here, and I just move this down, you can see that I have the image and the design in the background, and you can see that in the area I have added where the white box is where you can add your information. And as a result of this happening, this is exactly what it will look like. This is how it would look like on a mobile, and you can see now the image. This is just a screenshot, of course, but you can see that the image is now sitting correctly on a mobile view where your visitors can actually see what is written on the banner. So when you're looking at that compared to this one, it's much more better. However, the desktop version is going to look a little bit different. Now, let's upload the proper version. And this is the desktop version. Is it ideal? No, it's not, but it's how Facebook has their formatting and how it's presented on their website. They don't actually have a mobile version of this banner. So unfortunately, this is the only way to do it. If you are not worried about how the banner looks on the mobile, then you could fill out this whole image and have the whole thing filled out to what you need. But let's face it, like I said, all things are mobile optimized today and everybody accesses Facebook on a mobile. So it makes sense to have your banner optimized for that. So I hope this is helpful. You can get your free Canva template, which will be the one that I just showed you. And you just need to create a copy of it, and you can remove this, just delete it. Simply delete it. And then that way you will just have your design when you're ready. So otherwise, just move it down in transparency so you can ensure that you're still operating within this box and how you want your design, so when it's uploaded you don't have any issues. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and it will prompt me to be able to do more videos for you on all different types of tutorials moving on into the future. All right, thanks.